This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by the Parker Group.
Last week, Rachel Parker of Parker Group joined us for a couple of our programs. She was a guest host. We really appreciated having her on. Well, we're bringing her back today, and she's bringing a friend with her, Hannah Schaefer, and we've got a program or an event that you guys want to talk about today. Rachel, let's start with you. What is this event coming up?
Yeah, this is really one of our favorite times of the year, and obviously it's the Christmas holiday and everybody's feeling warm and fuzzy, and we feel like this is a really important time to give back to the community because not all of us are so fortunate to have family around or, just to be able to celebrate the holidays. And so our annual Day of Kindness is just a little bit of cheer that we like to do before we head off for the holidays. And I'm sitting here with Hannah, who is our operational mastermind at the Parker Group, and she's really taken the reins on planning this one. And so we thought it'd be fun to kind of let people know what we're up to this year.
And Hannah, what goes into planning something like this, and what can people expect at this event?
Yeah, so it initially starts in the fall. We start coordinating with a bunch of organizations that we want to partner with, and most of the time we're partnering with organizations throughout the year, but these are just partnerships that kind of extend throughout the entire year, and we pick a specific day right before Christmas, and we will go out and have a volunteer day at a few different organizations. So we've got 3 this year that we're collecting donations for, and then we will go out and volunteer.
Is there a part you're looking most forward to?
I think my favorite part is actually going out to the organizations. We've got a variety of different kind of things planned with the organizations for a variety of different people. So I like actually going out and doing the volunteer work.
And one of the fun things is we always try to time it in that little window before the office closes, but after school's let out. So all of the agents that have children are able to bring their kids and involve them in the volunteer work. And that always just adds more chaos, but more fun.
And more volunteers.
Of
yes,
course,
true too. More hands.
Of course, a little bit more chaos, but
Right.
I think that that's really neat. And what does it mean to you to be able to, you have to show kids how to then be a part of a community. That's part of the learning process.
Yes.
So getting them involved, what does that mean to you?
Totally, and kind of like what I said, our kids are very fortunate, and Hannah's soon-to-be child, that, they get presents on Christmas, and they get to be in a warm house, and they get to really enjoy the holidays. And we want them to understand that not all of our neighbors are that fortunate, and so it's really great to get them out in the community and just help them spread Christmas cheer to other people as well.
Is there anything else that we should know about this? I mean, it seems big, it seems fun, it seems like it's caring about other people. What am I missing here? Is there anything else that we need to add?
Well, I think we should probably mention the organizations that we're going to be
Yes.
helping out, and then if other people want to jump in and help those organizations as well. So we'll be going to the Delaware Food Bank in Milford and helping, feed our neighbors during the holidays. We're going to be going to Love Inc. in Seaford, where they really help the homeless community there.
We've had Love Inc. on the couch a number of times. They do great work over there.
And they're really like such a boots on the ground organization. And then all of our favorites, the SPCA. So we get to go play with some cute dogs and cats.
And that's just not only helping to give back, but fun for everybody.
Oh, yes.
Especially the kiddos, they like that one.
Yeah. So if somebody wants to get involved, if they want to, bring gifts or donate gifts or be a part of this, how do they do that?
So you can visit any Parker Group social media site. We have the link in our bio to our wish list where they can make donations that'll deliver directly to our office.
And I do have to brag on Hannah a little bit here because in years past, we asked people to buy things and drive to our office and drop them off. And Hannah's the kind of person that if you ask her, hey, did you get a chance to do X? It's like, yes, I did. And I emailed you about it. And I made a color-coded spreadsheet. And I let everyone know. And so it was her idea to make it super simple for people. So all they have to do is click a couple buttons, send it right to our office, and they can help us spread some cheer.
And there is a real, not to throw this word around lightly, but there's a real genius in making things easy enough for people to just go ahead and, click this, click that. Makes it easier to donate, easier to give back.
Yep, especially this time of the year, we're all busy.
Everyone's so busy.
Yes.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us here on the couch. We really appreciate it. As always, Rachel, thank you for coming in yet again. We always have a great time with you here. We are going to take a break. Don't go anywhere yet. We have more Coast Life, and it's coming your way next.